This is the largest football stadium in the country, coming up right here in Mawkhanu. It has already been sanctioned, already work has started, and we expect that by 2027, this project will be completed. Once this is done, this is a 40,000 seater dedicated football stadium, the biggest dedicated football stadium in the country. Next. These are monoliths, iconic projects meant to really give that sense of our cultural aspect, but at the same time making it very nice for the tourist. Again, project which has already been sanctioned, work has started. So these are basically towers where the lifts will be down here. You can actually go up the monolith, and then those are glass structure on top. You can walk on those places. So these are almost going to be close to, if I'm not wrong, about 150 meters high tower. So one of the most iconic projects that the state and the region will see. And this work is going on. At night, this will be lit up with different laser lights and laser shows, the kind we see in Burj Khalifa, where different cultural aspects will be reflected. I don't have that presentation with me right now, but I just thought I'll mention. Next. This is the Ekta Mall, which is again going to be great. Every state's shops will be here. Entire country, different states will have their stalls here. Again, coming up in New Shillong area. Next. This is the Mawkdok Aquatic and Tennis Complex. This will be, of course, a dedicated Olympic-size swimming pool, as well as the tennis complex, and we are hoping that this will be completed in time for the national games. Next, work is going on. This is the Khasi Heritage Experience Center in Site Sopen, Sora, Cherrapunji area. This is the 300 crore project that the donor ministry had recently sanctioned for us. This is only part of it, but this is the 115 crores, and the rest of the 100 crores is going to be in different locations. But this is going to be one very, very beautiful and iconic project. The work will be loaded soon. This is the Youth Sports Complex, which is again ongoing. We expect this to be completed hopefully by the National Games. Next. This is the redevelopment of Umiam. So this is that Nehru Park area and the park where we do go for the boating and all of that. So a large project of 121 crores has been conceptualized, and the work will start very soon. Once we do this, we expect that this entire area will become one of the most happening tourist locations, not just in Meghalaya, but in the country as a whole. Next. This is the Mawkdok skywalk, tourist. So this is when you're going down, the road is down there. This is on the hilltop, on the right side. So when you go next, you will see a road construction that has started. And project has already been allotted. We expect this will be the longest skywalk in the country. And will take about 2 to 3 years to complete this, but this again will give a different experience to the tourists when they actually walk on the skywalk and see the valley. Next. Yeah, this is the Shillong Peak ropeway project. Already started, work is going on. The forest clearance has been done. The poles are being put up. We expect maybe in about a year and a half that this project should be completed. This again will be a great iconic project for us. Funds have already been sanctioned, as I said, and work has started. Next. This is a tribal heritage center in Mandalgri, back in Umiam Lake, in East Garo Hills. And this again will be another place where tourists will get full. And this again has been sanctioned, work allotted. We expect the work to start maybe by December or January. Next. This, of course, is the PSangma Integrated Sports Complex in Tura. And that's the football stadium, and that's the indoor swimming pool, indoor squash, indoor badminton and table tennis area. Work is going on. We expect it to finish very soon. This is the additional secretariat complex in Tura. It's about 165 crores. Work has been allotted, started, and I expect by 2027 that at least one of those blocks will be ready. Next. This is the Integrated Hospitality Convention Center in Tura. Again, a 61 crore project going on right now. I expect by 2026 end, this should be completed. Next. This is the Wamukra Riverfront Development, ongoing project. We expect by 2026 end, this also should be completed. This will completely change the entire facade and the entire riverfront experience. Of course, while we do that, the biggest challenge for us is to keep the Wamukra clean. And therefore, projects hand in hand are going on in order to be able to achieve that. Next. Yeah. This is the largest football stadium in the country, coming up right here in Mawkhanu. It has already been sanctioned, already work has started, and we expect that by 2027 this project will be completed. Once this is done, this is a 40,000 seater dedicated football stadium, the biggest dedicated football stadium in the country. Next.